The amazing benefits of hemp protein powder. Hemp protein powder has surged in popularity as a highly nutritious supplement, offering a wealth of health benefits that cater to a variety of dietary needs. Derived from hemp seeds, this plant-based protein is not only rich in essential amino acids but also packed with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a balanced supplement to support muscle growth and recovery. Unlike many other protein sources, hemp protein is easily digestible, allowing the body to absorb its nutrients effectively, which is particularly beneficial for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. In addition to its protein content, hemp protein powder is an exceptional source of dietary fiber, promoting digestive health and helping to maintain a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight management. Its high fiber content assists in regulating blood sugar levels and can contribute to heart health by lowering cholesterol levels. Furthermore, hemp protein is rich in various vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, phosphorus, and iron, which are essential for overall health and well-being. One of the standout features of hemp protein powder is its versatility. It can be easily incorporated into a variety of recipes, from smoothies and shakes to baked goods and energy bars, making it an ideal dietary addition for those following vegan, vegetarian, or gluten-free lifestyles. The nutty flavor of hemp protein also enhances the taste of dishes without overwhelming other ingredients. With its impressive nutritional profile and myriad health benefits, hemp protein powder stands out as a powerful and sustainable choice for anyone looking to enhance their diet and support their health goals. Subscribe to my channel if you found this helpful.